Hello, everybody. This is Falco here from Life Transforming Coaching with our weekly tip. We're going back to the drawing board. Guys, people have asked me regarding the Quantum Leap. This book from Bryce Pritchett. You may have heard about it, use Square. So I want to use this week's sessions and next week's sessions, giving you some more insight, jumping right to some advice, what you can do regarding the Quantum Leap. And then we also will have a webinar around it where we go much deeper into this topic. So making the Quantum Leap, we have been taught, make incremental improvements, building on your habits and, compound interest, the effect. And I think there's nothing wrong with it, but there's another way as well. As you know, we are functioning on two levels, on the Newton level of physics and the quantum level of physics, where there is no time, there's only the now. So what can you do applying more from the Quantum Leap techniques in your performance? Exercise number one, jumping right into it. I'll believe it when I see it. That's what we hear most often. I'll believe it when I see it. Turn it around. I'll see it when I believe it. So it starts with you internally. It starts with your believing. So instead of hoping, wishing, or dreaming, feeling, imagining what you want, what you desire. Quit trying harder or working smarter or thinking AI will solve all your challenges. It won't. And adapt this new perspective, as we said, I'll see it when I believe it. Ignore conventional ways. Rely on the unseen forces, which are the forces inside. And of course, we have to get used to get uncomfortable. That's all for today. More exercises next week. This is Falco from Life Transforming Coaching.